Today we doing a burger challenge. She really believes she can cook better than me. She took my bonnet. Hold on. I really look ugly off the bonnet.
You look dirty.
Damn!
Look a superhero.
Oh, we packing.
Do your videos after you pack.
Can I get the bonnet back, please, bro?
No, let me be. You look dirty every video.
Say what's up, yo.
Yeah.
Come over here, bro. Yeah, put water in it. See, she got the clean pot. Yeah, you know what it is to me. I don't really give a freak.
Dirty.
Dirty.
Yeah.
See the AirPods in my ear? I ain't gotta say too much. And the Louis Vuitton case.
You still broke.
And a slides
I ain't
on.
gotta say.
No.
Oh yeah, thank you. You owe me $1 now. I ain't gotta see too much.
I want $1.
Yup, every time you curse is $1. Oh yeah, go get the seasoning. You can use any seasonings you want for this video.
Season right there. You got Old Bay.
Yeah, what are you doing? What you doing?
I'm trying to help her out how to make a burger.
First of all, I know how to make a burger.
You definitely don't. Cause look
I
at the long.
No, I'm not. Y'all
Yes.
burgers be dry.
Uh-huh.
It be
You love to hear it.
Hey, use this. Well, you're not even looking. Like,
You got
damn.
garlic? Oh yeah. Look at it. It wrap.
Oh no, not this. I want that.
I bet you don't. Oh, look at come here.
Oh, wait.
That's
So
it.
I hear that.
This Five Guys.
Whoa. It's not
I can barely breathe.
Come on my way.
I can barely breathe with this on. I already know what my man's like. I ain't even gotta say too much. Now we got the Old Bay on it.
I already know how you do
That
that.
about me real slap me. I'm not playing.
Both of y'all cute.
Oh, I'll take this shit off.
Whoa! You should have really did that.
That's what I should have did. I'm too nice.
Come here, bro. Come here.
Let's see what's going on.
That's like
Don't burn me. Yo, don't burn me. Don't burn me.
all that. Stop playing.
What you doing? You ain't put nothing on there yet.
It ain't the front.
Yo,
He
somebody in that,
nasty.
look at me, bro. Somebody in that Popeye video comment under and said I really put hot sauce in the grease. I put it on the chicken.
You did put it on the chicken.
My nigga.
Ew, why do you put that on everything? That don't go on everything.
I already know what my man's like. I ain't even gotta say too
You
much.
eat
I ain't
that on
saying
your
nothing.
burgers? That's mad nasty.
Right.
Ew.
Nasty, right?
Come on, chef. What you doing?
Yo, you all up in my personal area.
Anybody worry about you in your area? I'm about these burgers.
So you put too much. Oh yeah, it's bread.
Look how many she put in there.
It's,
Oh my god.
you can't even see it.
I smell high blood pressure. I smell high blood pressure.
Nah, cause y'all know.
Yo, she dumbing.
Talk the whole
Let me get that. She dumbing right now.
God, this.
Yo, she is.
Give me my.
Violent.
I'm hungry. I don't got a digestion.
No, y'all county boys don't know how to eat.
What?
New York boys know what they eat.
Who's from the county? Yo, that shit.
Y'all New York boys.
Yeah, but hold this down.
Y'all county
brown
slash city
in here.
boys.
Yo,
You from
look.
Massachusetts?
If it's not black on the other side, I'm done, alright?
Into that.
That shit just it looks just like mine.
That bitch looks.
Look at it. Yo, it's smoky in here, yo. I don't know what you doing, bro.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Y'all on board in here. Why y'all doing that?
I ain't gotta say too much. I know how.
So you know it might hit. You know what I'm saying? I gotta try for
It's
you.
not even open.
You gotta open it.
I ain't gotta say too much, yo.
Yo,
I ain't even gotta say too much. Look at everything.
you guys balls in your cup. Like, it's not even that serious. My shit look like that when I touch
You said what? What did you just say?
Yo, look at this nigga.
Oh.
Look at this nigga. This nigga neck lock and shit. I think you got one over. Yo, it's really smoky in here. What are you doing?
I'm not even talking.
See, so I sit there.
Make the burger. Don't worry about me.
I think you need a little more grease. I said make the burger. I said make the burger.
That's a poison you.
I think she needs a
I'm
little
to
bit
add
more
some of
grease.
this since she wants
That shit might hit.
You said what?
I think she needs a little bit.
She put sugar in there for real?
Okay.
You put sugar on that?
It's gonna hit.
There's no way.
Actually, what she don't know is she put too much pepper in there. You're not even gonna taste the sugar.
I'm ready to taste straight.
Yeah. I'm ready to get my bread out.
Y'all hate it. I never. Ew, how you gonna get your bread out when it's still bleeding?
She don't know, yo. That bitch.
When it's bleeding?
No. I'm talking.
Oh yeah, I know about y'all now. Y'all like it when it's bleeding.
Yeah.
Y'all like.
Yo, look.
Y'all like it when
Look at your stance.
Look, you said no. Bro, I'm blessing you, bro. That got worms.
So when yours look nasty.
All I know is I'm gonna see if it hits.
I ain't gonna lie, this video probably hit.
Nah, cause yours look nasty. His don't look nasty.
No.
Mine look nasty.
Yes.
Mine look nasty.
I mean, it don't look nasty, but you know what I'm saying?
First of all, and it's being fried.
What?
So it's gonna look different from if it was on a grill.
I ain't even got
I don't know.
I ain't even got to say too much.
It's about we squaring up outside.
That's that, buddy.
Shit.
I'm at on step 2 right now.
Coming from you.
It's not
Okay.
done.
Okay.
No, I did
What you
that.
did?
And I
Cause
just-
you just finished taking a exactly.
Damn. Y'all that huh?
Gosh.
He's thinking about the world.
3, 2, 1.
That looks basic, like
It
McDonald's.
looks good.
That like McDonald's.
It looks better than McDonald's.
You just gay.
McDonald's won't
Get
even
off
melt the cheese.
Get off.
Yo, she's funny as hell.
McDonald's won't even melt the cheese. McDonald's cheese don't even melt. It
Ew,
floats.
you spread the ketchup on it.
That's the bottom one. And we use ketchup, you know how it is. The struggle is real.
Don't know.
Look at he don't know nothing about that. He said, I don't. She won't be just like me, bro. She was not ready to do that. I swear. Look at her, bro. I swear to God, she won't be like me.
Alright, so it's
Her
right,
anti-room.
so shut
Yo.
Oh, you trying to be fancy with that plate?
My plate fancy. Hold on, I gotta wash it off.
Where's your burger where you burn?
Oh yeah. Come on.
Look, yo.
The more burnt.
You gonna have, bro, why you going so far back?
I'm right here with it.
Yo, wasn't you just walking a pet zebra the other day?
The house nigga package. Oh shit.
I'll be back. What?
You just a Lorax. Back to you and your burger. Let me try that right now.
Yo, you
No, it's not
when I was trying to
finished
make patterns. You gonna get back to you when you take. Well, now you and Shakari taste testing the food, so we ready to get back to y'all. All right, you got a Shawty burger first. I mean, y'all can go ahead when you're ready.
You want to pray before you touch this shit?
You gotta speak louder.
You want to pray?
Yo.
Lord, help me.
Salmonella.
What?
Yeah, put it together. Let me see the inside, bro.
What the?
Alright, go ahead, bro. Go ahead.
Pink? Pink?
Go ahead, eat it, bro. I don't even want to taste that. If it's nasty, the trash right here, alright?
No, don't throw it in there because I want to eat it.
I'll just
Yo,
take
do
a
not
big bite.
fake. Do not fake. Do not fake.
Yo, what?
Do not fake.
What?
Don't fake.
Oh my god.
Don't fake.
Oh my god.
Don't fake.
Oh, let me bite that down.
Let me taste. Let me get a piece.
Yo.
Let me get a piece.
Too much
Are you
ketchup,
serious? Let me get a piece.
yo.
Shall give me a piece.
Too much ketchup, yo.
Give me a piece. No, break it up. Yo, break it off.
Nasty, bro.
It's not nasty. That's too much bread.
It's just sandwich.
That's nasty. I know you know it's nasty too. Alright, bro, y'all ready? We're gonna get back to y'all when they do the second one. Matter of fact, give y'all a review. Give y'all a review. And rate it too.
I don't sugar. I was looking forward to that.
One from a 10. I'm gonna say like a cool 7.
7?
Yeah, 7.
Alright, bro.
That's
I ain't
bad.
gotta say too much of mine.
Sniff it?
Alright, give your stuff, bro.
I said like a 7.
7.
Yeah.
Alright.
All that pepper.
Alright, they needed water after hers. 9 times out of 10, they ain't gonna need water after mine. I ain't ready to say too much either. My brother knew what's up with my cooking. I ain't even, you feel me? He said I should have wanted the chicken one, so I ain't even, you feel me?
How he gonna tell?
By the looks. And you asked for some more. Alright. She just tried to be generous because I did it wrong in that Kool-Aid video. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Alright, next up. Who is it? Oh shit, my bad. You can't even
Looking
see
a little
it.
plump.
Yeah, I don't know. Look, put it in the camera. Put it in the camera.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, just
Cheese melted nice.
just about to catch up. Alright, go ahead.
It looked the same.
Go ahead. I guess you got it.
Better than you.
Hey, bro, rate it.
Yo.
11.
I need you to make another one real quick,
I'm trying to tell
He didn't
you.
put no seasoning on it.
What?
Yo, shove it.
Eat it. Let's eat
Oh,
it.
sniff it.
It don't taste like nothing.
Fuck out of here.
What?
It don't taste like nothing.
It was cool too though. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't bad, but
You really a hater, bro. This.
They both hit.
Yo, what are you? Ain't you like 1 and 2? 1 and 3? You gotta be 1 and 3. Bro. Oh
It
no.
don't taste like nothing.
Yo, what was it, bro? What was wrong with it?
Not a damn thing.
What was wrong with it? Alright, what was wrong with her?
The pepper hit me out of nowhere.
Alright, what was wrong with her, bro?
I got high blood pressure.
High blood pressure?
I need water for the first person.
Yo, I told you ain't need water after mine.
That's what y'all niggas is American. Y'all don't like seasoning.
Yo, she mad. I won. I'm like what? I'm 2 and 1, right? Yeah, I'm like 2 and 1. So next video we have an outside challenge. And so, yeah, stay tuned. Well, yeah, the video after the next one. We're dropping one today. Lorax.